We'll guide you through how to use vidIQ to check top tags. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to the vidIQ website to begin the setup process. Click Sign Up and create your account by entering the required details. Then verify your email to activate the account properly. After verification, log into vidIQ and connect your YouTube channel when prompted. Allow the requested permissions so vidIQ can analyze your channel and videos correctly. Next, install the vidIQ browser extension from the site or your browser's extension store. Then enable the extension so it can run on YouTube. Refresh your YouTube page to make sure the extension loads and integrates with the interface. Search for a video topic related to your niche and open a top-ranking video from the results. Wait for the vidIQ panel to load on the right side of the screen and locate the Stats overlay section. Find the Tags section in the panel and click Show More if that option appears to reveal all tags. View the tag keywords listed and check the tag scores to understand their performance potential. Observe the search volume to see how often people search those keywords and review the competition rating to judge how difficult it is to rank for them. Identify strong tags that have good search volume and manageable competition. Copy the useful tags and paste them into a notes document for later use. Open another top video on the same topic and repeat the tag checking process to gather more data. Compare repeated tags across videos to see which keywords consistently appear. Highlight the best keywords that show strong performance signals and relevance to your content. Save the final tag list in your notes so you can reuse it efficiently. Finally, use these tags in your next YouTube upload to improve discoverability and help your video reach the right audience. Keep the notes organized by topic so you can quickly apply them to future videos. Update the list regularly as trends change and new keywords appear. Combine these tags with a clear title and description for better SEO. Test different tag sets over time and track performance in YouTube analytics.